everyone, Gloria Walker here, and in this quick video, I am going to share with you the 3 tips that will boost your affiliate marketing sales that you may not know as a beginner. But first, if this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell because I give out tips and strategies that will help grow your business. What is that? Oh, hair. I'm sorry. That will help grow your business and maintain a profitable business. And I don't want you to miss any of my content, okay? So let's jump right into this, okay? So, hold on one second. Sorry about that. Pomegranate, orange juice, and tequila. That's awesome. Okay, so let's get right into this, all right? So, tip number 1, establish authority as quickly as possible, all right? And what I mean by that is, it is very important to be seen as the authority in your affiliate marketing niche, all right? Now, the way to do that is, to first present yourself as being a credible and honest and well-informed source of information or somewhat expert, all right? In other words, you want to be seen as the person that they think about if they have questions about a product or service, okay? Number 2, be honest, all right? It is a good idea to recommend products that you have tried, or at the very least from sellers that you trust, okay? Because you're putting your neck on the line, okay? So with that being said, don't be afraid to say what you don't like about a product, okay? On the other hand, try to show proof, okay, of products that you're using that works, okay? Now, if you have a personal story, share that, okay? Because remember, facts tell and stories sell, okay? And number 3, avoid hype, okay? Do not use hype under any circumstances, okay? The days of using hype are long gone, okay? That stuff went out in the 90s, okay? People can see right through the BS and the bull, okay? You know, they can see right through, waving cash in front of the camera, standing in front of Lamborghinis and all that stuff. That stuff is played out, okay? Just be yourself, okay? And if you never use the products, post testimonials and endorsements, which you can find on the products websites, okay? Now, if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, okay, just click the link below this video, okay, and take advantage of my free affiliate marketing or my affiliate marketing for beginners crash course, okay? You can find that right below this video, all right? Now, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next video, all right? And I'm sorry for being gone for so long, but I swear I will be posting videos on a consistent basis from now on, and I'll see you on my next video, and bye-bye for now.